We've made an incredible and delicious Aussie beef taco bar. That was meal one. We put together all of those great, delicious ingredients that go into a taco bar, perfect entertaining for tailgating or family nights in a hurry and in a rush. And I made a little extra because I had something else in mind. Meal one, but I wanted to turn it into meal two and do some incredible egg bites. You may have had egg bites before, but you may have never had them quite this way or quite this simply. What we've done is just taken those ingredients, again, starting with that delicious Aussie grass-fed taco meat, adding that to our little cup with a little bit of the black beans. Remember, all of these were the ingredients of our taco bar. Little bit of veggies, a little scallions or some tomatoes, and then just with some eggs that have just been beaten together with a touch of milk, add those right to it, filling it right up. We're gonna pop those into the oven at about 325 convection, 350 conventional. They'll cook in about 10 to 12 minutes, still be a little jiggly, but they'll carry over cooking when they come out. And then you're ready to pop them out and get them right onto your plate. Again, same ingredients, little sour cream that was left over, a little bit of guacamole. Who loves avocado toast? Well, how about a little bit of guacamole together with your egg bite? These can be made in advance and then you can pop them into the microwave just for about 20 to 30 seconds, just enough to reheat and enough to make breakfast in a hurry that absolutely is memorable and delicious. Coming up, we're going to take a look at another way. Taco bar number one, egg bites number two, another way to turn this meal into a sensation. See you soon.